guys, I'm doing a review of this PC sea salt baked pita crackers. They're on sale. Here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video and let's look at the nutrient panel and let's do a quick taste test. Okay, so that's what they look like when they're open. And check that out. It has a slight salty taste to it, but actually pretty good. If you don't want your stuff to be too flavored, actually tastes pretty good. It tastes like a pita chip. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next video.